LCX is currently at this very interesting demand zone, and the chance that we could explode soon is extremely high. In this video, I will talk about LCX and share my price prediction for the long term and also for the short term. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. There I share daily analysis of Bitcoin, LCX and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. LCX is currently ranked 309 among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $180 million. LCX is a new crypto exchange with extremely high potential. LCX has many well-known partners and was also part of the World Economic Forum this year. This is therefore a very interesting exchange, which is gaining more and more traction. And on the weekly time frame, we can see that after this bearish trend and this longer accumulation phase, we saw the first bullish impulse and broke through the supply zone, where we were rejected several times to the upside. We also took out these last highs, albeit just with a wick corrected to the downside again, but found bullish price action made a higher high. Thus bullish presence was shown again. That means on the weekly time frame, LCX already looks very bullish, and also on the daily time frame we can see that we're clearly in a bullish trend with lows and higher highs. And right now we are again in this very interesting demand zone, because from this demand zone we had a push to zero, seen new highs, so made a higher high. That means this demand zone is strong. And there is a high chance that institutions, for example, entered in this price region and that we will find bullish support here too, as we did earlier. And if we break out of this demand zone with bullish price action in the near future, then the chance is high that we will stay in this range for now. And if we then leave this range here to the upside and this bullish retail testing, then the chance is extremely high that we will see higher prices. If we finally take out this high here at 40 cents, then the chance is high that we will have a price discovery and an explosion for LCX. And to the last Altami, we still have a bit of space here to 68 cents. From the current prices to this price target, we would have a potential of over 180%. And as mentioned at the beginning, we only have a market cap of 180 million. That means we still have extreme potential to the upside. And now if we compare the current market cap of LCX with the current market cap of Polkadot, we would have a price target of $11.55 and a 47 times potential. And I think this comparison makes sense because Polkadot was one of the best performers in the last bull run and is currently around $9 billion. In terms of market cap. This means that we still have extreme potential for LCX. We can also reach significantly higher prices if LCX and its fundamentals prevail. Sets, but I think that would be a realistic price target. This bull run for 2024-2025. That means I'm very bullish on LCX in the long term and also, as I said, in the short term. We are currently retesting this demand zone and the chance is high that we will see bullish price action. Only if we break this support zone to the downside and find acceptance here. If we find it, then there is a high chance that we will see lower prices. But as long as we do not break this demand zone to the downside, there is a high chance that we will see higher prices and follow the bullish transfer. Continue upwards. And especially if Bitcoin also makes new all-time highs, there's a good chance that the altcoins will follow, as we will see an altcoin season. And therefore also rising prices for LCX in the near future. And if you don't want to miss any trades from me, then join my exclusive Signal group. There you will find all my trades in real time and also my crypto spot purchases. Second link in the description. To summarize, I think LCX is a fundamentally strong project. We have high potential for this bull run in the long term and also good short-term chances. Get into a trade for a long trade. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success in trading and see you in the next video.